I thought you said...
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Clackamas County in northwestern Oregon, Southeastern Marion County in northwestern Oregon, Northeastern Linn County in northwestern Oregon, until 4:30 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Detroit, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Detroit, Idanha, Bagby Hot Springs, and Breitenbush Springs. In Oregon, this includes State Highway 22 east of Salem between mile markers 43 and 59. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.
There was a comet called